I'm in the process of organizing my threads. I got some thread from eBay. I've been winding them onto skeins to put in my little briefcase. Today I'm gonna go to New York City. I'm visiting my friend Sarah. You might know her. Sarah Potter is a tarot reader and a professional psychic. She does a lot of really cool stuff. She used to be an art curator and she always knows what's going on in the art world and has an extra ticket to the Outsider Art Fair, which I've always wanted to see actually because I love outsider art. I love self-trained artists and folk art. So that's what we're doing today. I don't have that much time to dilly-dally in the morning the way I usually do. I'm going to walk to the train station, which it's not right next door to me. It's in West Philly. So I'm gonna eat some toast. I already had my coffee. I need to wash my face, brush my teeth, figure out what to wear because I want to look cute, but I know I'm gonna do a lot of walking today. This is the struggle that I have living in Philadelphia because I walk everywhere. The pair of shoes that I wear the most is basically a sneaker. It's like an Oakley sneaker. I show it on here all the time because I wear them walking to the post office, walking to art class. I feel like I have to build my outfit based on what shoe I wear, and often that shoe is for comfort, so then I end up wearing pretty casual clothes as opposed to more styled outfits. So far I know I want to wear this shirt. I've got these pants on, but the thing about these pants, I got them thrifting. The crotch is really low, so I got them thinking I could wear them with dresses and stuff over it, so I'm not sure that this shirt works. I'm gonna wear a sweater over this. Another annoying aspect to getting dressed today is that every time I put on mascara for the past couple of weeks, it keeps making my eyes have some kind of reaction, like an allergic reaction, so I'm comfortable not wearing makeup. When I'm trying to avoid wearing eye makeup, I like to wear lighter colors, and I'll probably wear a strong lip today because even though I feel okay without eye makeup and being out in the world and stuff, which I maybe used to not be okay with, I'm still gonna see my friend today and we're probably gonna take a picture, so I still want to look nice. I think I'm going to switch into cream pants that I have, and I have a soft yellow sweater that I'll put on over this to make sure I'm warm enough, and I'll either wear boots or my comfy sneakers. My eyes are so sensitive. It drives me crazy. Trader Joe's hair serum. Not sure how to wear my hair. It's kind of weird to have long hair and grow out my natural hair color. I don't always know what to do with it. And I think it just made my hair look a lot more greasy because of the hair serum. Okay, before I leave, I have to charge my phone a bit more. Grab a bag with a water and an apple and maybe my notebook. And I do actually have a brace I've been wearing on my wrist. I appreciate that everyone's been sending healing wishes towards me. I am doing a lot better with my wrist and hand, enough to be able to work throughout the week here and there, but I have been trying to take it easy as best as I can. Today will be a good day for rest since I'll just be walking, looking at art, spending time with my friend. It'll be a proper rest day because when I'm at home left to my own devices, I am just gonna try to do a little bit of work, or I end up cooking and texting, and that kind of aggravates the issue that I have. I think it was tendonitis or just carpal tunnel. But I'm gonna wear a brace also to help stabilize my arm. So now I'm gonna prep my bag and try to stretch a bit, and then I have to walk to the train. I decided to change last minute, and I also did decide to put on mascara. Got this t-shirt from an artist. They go by Yesel Pictures on Instagram. Cargo pants. Same sweater. Okay, everyone, let me tell you about this art fair. It was extremely overwhelming, but in a cool way. For context, I haven't been to too many art fairs. I think Spring Break Art Show is the only one I've been to, but that was years ago, pre-pandemic. The Outsider Art Fair was really inspiring to see. Tons of booths, which were basically galleries sharing artists' work. So much art to see. Very overstimulating, but also just epic. My eyes felt nuts afterwards. We made our way around many times because the different booths wove around the space, so it was easy to lose track of what you've seen already. I filmed around the art fair, and then when that was done, I just did not have the energy to vlog anymore. And I was also hanging with my friends, so I was trying to stay in the moment. After the fair, me, Sarah, and her friend Eric got food. We are all vegan actually, and we went to a place nearby called Urban Vegan Kitchen. Then I had to scoot to catch my train home. Walking back home. I'm so tired. I'm gonna try to catch a bus, and when I get home I want to take a bath and rest and watch some of The Gilded Age. Today I'm gonna do some embroidery on this gray cardigan that I have. I want to work on some transitional pieces that maybe seem like a winter garment, but I'll put flowers on them so that they can be a cute thing to wear in that time between winter and spring when it's still cold, but you're really excited for spring. At least that's how I feel. I'm just excited to wear some spring clothes and put the winter behind me basically, but I know we've got a little bit more cold weather to deal with. The plan for the sweater is to do a blanket stitch around the neckline and then some symmetrical, very basic, easy floral motifs down the front of the sweater. And that's pretty much all I'm doing today because I was so tired from New York. So I'll show you my process for this sweater. It's pretty easy embroidery and it came out quite cute if I do say so myself. I'm trying to use my left hand more often for the blanket stitches because it's pretty simple and I can manage it with my left hand even though it goes a little bit slower just to make sure I'm not working my right hand too heavily. The thing about this sweater is I didn't know how to draw on it to draw a picture for me to embroider, which is how I usually work. So I am just winging it with stitches and trying to use the pockets as a guiding measurement. So right now I'm chain stitching a line down the center of the pocket or up the center of the pocket, and that's going to be the trunk of a floral tree. Now that I have the structure of the tree embroidered, I am stitching some yellow dots around the ends of the branches, and these are going to be the center of some little florets that I'll embroider with a different color as the petals. For the petals of these little flowers, I'm just doing straight stitches, circling around that little stitch dot. And I'm not too precious about the size of the stitches. It's okay if they're a little bit all over the place. I think this was the first kind of flower I learned how to embroider because it's so easy and you can practice so many of them on a garment or a little piece of scrap fabric. I'm adding some leaves on this tree in green thread, and they're just going to be 2 stitches done a bit on an angle along the branch, and then I'll do more, well, I'll basically stitch them up and down each of the branches. Now I'm adding 2 little red flowers above the trees. Lastly, I'm going to embroider a little flower trio above the red flowers on both sides of the sweater. This is a little bit more tricky because there's a pocket on one side and no pocket on the other, but I think I pulled it off, and I'll show you how the sweater came out in just a little bit. Here's how the embroidered cardigan came out. I hope you liked watching this vlog. It was a little bit random, but I'll have a more planned video for this week. And thank you for watching. I hope you have a good one. See you next time. Bye.